Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Alpha Boost on console, full guide. Start by checking your progression tracker for daily and weekly milestone completion to qualify. Next, verify you have at least one boost token in your inventory and confirm game version compatibility on console. Finally, schedule activation during sessions with friends for maximum benefit and plan objectives to use the boost efficiently and confidently. This segment explains the exact requirements you must meet to unlock Alpha Boost on console. Focus on completing ranked tutorials, daily challenges, and match-win milestones that often gate access. Make sure your console account is linked to any necessary developer or publisher service to pass verification checks. Keep a checklist and track progress each session so you never miss a required step toward activation. These activation tips help you extract the most value from Alpha Boost on console. Time activation to coincide with long play sessions or events, and communicate with teammates to focus on shared goals like ranked wins. Prioritize activities that scale rewards, such as event objectives or high-tier matches, while the boost is active. Monitor remaining session time so you can claim earned rewards before it expires.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.